Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Connor, and today I guess I have something a little different for you guys. So let's say that you want to get into liquid cooling, but it's very difficult to find the right parts and stuff that you need and instructions on how to do it. Well, I found out this website, it's called EK Water Blocks. It has a bunch of different information and stuff on how to do liquid cooling, guides, and it even has this little part called Custom Loop Build, where you can build your own custom loop for your specific rig. So I'm going to be going through this little custom loop configurator for you guys today. So if I go ahead and click on the configurator, I need to type in all my stuff. So I have the NZXT S340 Elite. Next up I have my motherboard, which is the Asus Z270E. I have one graphics card, which is the Asus 1070 overclocked 8GB. RAM, I only have 2 sticks of RAM. Next up we have what we want to cool. Now realistically I would only choose CPU and GPU, but I'm just going to choose like motherboard just to show you that you can water cool your motherboard, and RAM if you want to. Now I do like silent operation, but I am going to be overclocking, so I'm going to choose the center one, which will give me a few options between water blocks that I can choose from. For this one, it recommends that I choose the 240mm slim in the front and the slim single in the back. Next up, I have the choice between soft and hard tubing. Since I know many people are going to be beginners to water cooling, I'm just going to choose this just because this is the easier method. Next up, we have the option to personalize our custom tubing. Now, I want to go with 10/16 just to be safe because that's a thicker diameter and it's just going to be safer for my PC. And then the color tubing I have the choice between many colors of tubing, but I just want to go with clear and then have blood red be in the center because my build is based around the red color. Now the fittings, I have the choice between a bunch of them still. I could go with gold, red, but I feel like red would be too much red, so I'm just going to go with Elox black. Now the block top, I want that to be clear so you can see the red color through the top of it. And then I'm going to go with a bare copper base plate. And then for the GPU block, I think just an all black GPU block would look just fine. They are both the same price, so I'm just going to go with the black version. And the GPU backplate, my graphics card already comes with a backplate, so I'm not going to replace that at all. And then up next I have the choice between a pump and reservoir combo or just a pump and reservoir, which I need to go with a separate pump and reservoir because my case is not designed for water cooling, so I need the pump and reservoir to be separate. Now I am going to change the pump to this one down here just because it does have a faster flow rate and I won't have to worry about so much not having enough space to fit everything. And as far as reservoirs go, it's completely up to you. I do want to go with a bigger reservoir just to show off that red liquid. And then after you've made all your choices, you can go ahead and overview everything, make sure everything is as you say it should be. And then after you've done that, you can go ahead and click next step, and it'll bring you to a list of all the prices and parts that you chose. I can go ahead and zero out some parts so it brings the cost of $779 down. Like, I don't need to water cool my motherboard, which that'll take off $137. I don't need this bridging plug because most power supplies nowadays come with one of them. And as far as the 3 fans go, I already have fans that I can use, so I don't need to buy 3 of them. I can maybe take it down to 1 because I have 2 coming off of the H100i version 2 that I can use for the dual one in the front. And then after you've gone through and selected everything that you need, you can go ahead and add that all to cart and then take away parts that you might not need. So if I go into my cart, I can go ahead and change this to maybe 1. Take away this monoblock. I can go ahead and take away the back plate because I already have one on my graphics card. And then it's just all up to you. You guys can take away certain parts that you might not want, I know they don't have, it says they don't have this stuff in stock right now, so I can switch it up. Maybe they'll bring the price down. And then the only thing left to do is order it, and then order some distilled water, because you need distilled water to mix with the concentrate. And then that's pretty much it as far as water cooling your entire system. Hey guys, so this video isn't sponsored by EK in any way, but if you guys are interested in getting into water cooling, I do recommend you guys go check out their website. They have a lot of cool stuff over there. But that pretty much sums it up for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos right here. Leave a like if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.